Washing the saints' feet. Feet washing was instituted by Jesus on the night of the Last Supper and is considered by the Church a New Testament ordinance that we are enjoined to observe, as the Lord's Supper represents our communion with Christ. Feet washing represents our common community with each other as followers of Christ and partakers together with Him. Jesus sent 2 of His disciples to the home of a special friend in Jerusalem to prepare for the Passover meal. Mark 14:12, 17. These preparations would have included a basin, water pitcher, and a towel for the customary washing of feet. According to verse 17 above, the 12 came with Jesus, but there is no mention of the washing of feet. Luke tells us there was anguish among the disciples as Jesus announced that one of them would betray him, and also that there was a quarrel between them as to who should be the greatest. Luke 22:21, 24. Jesus taught them servanthood as their right relationship, verses 25-27, and demonstrated His posture as a servant among them by washing their feet. John 13:3-5. In establishing this spirit of servanthood among them, Jesus said, "Know ye what I have done to you? Ye call me Master and Lord, and ye say, Well, for so I am. If I then, your Lord and Master, have washed your feet, ye also ought to wash one another's feet. For I have given you an example, that ye should do as I have done to you. If ye know these things, happy are ye if you do them." Verses 12, 15, 17. The Church encourages that feet washing be observed in the same service as the Lord's Supper whenever possible, and in a decent and orderly manner. Christ One Ministries. Org.